Hey guys, Jason from the Glitter Guy here, and we have another Quack Pack unboxing video. We have probably my favorite Quack Pack unboxing video to do today. I have a major product announcement that was in this box, and yeah, let's just get right in here without further ado and see what that is. I did not forget this time to put the insert card back in. Insert card is back. There is still one typo though. So anyway, let's start going down the list of what's in the box. And first we have Clark. Clark is a medium cut blue glitter. This is actually the medium buddy to Dilly Dilly. So we have Clark here. If you guys haven't seen any of our newer releases or anything that I have to reprint labels for has gotten this freshened 2023 glitter label update, and I hope you guys enjoyed it because I really do. Next on the list we have Tiger Lily, which is orange fusion glitter. Same thing with the label redesign, but this beautiful fusion glitter. Patty worked really hard on this. I actually have a stack of ones that I was like, nope, nope, nope. I just had a vision of a color. I think Patty really knocked that one out of the park there. And then in the small shaker, we have Neverland. So this is an existing glitter. What I try to do in every box, not try to, what is done in every box is new glitter, old glitter, fusion glitter. The existing glitter comes in a small shaker because there's a chance that you guys already have it. So don't need like a whole crap ton. Plus we put so much glitter in our shakers. This has as much as most of our competitors' large shakers do. So super beautiful green. Also, I know I didn't mention it right off the rip, but this box was botanical themed. I wanted to make sure that a theme is at least announced with each box going forward so that you guys get like the vibe of what to kind of expect without like any real spoilers. So moving on, we have holographic keychain vinyl square and keychain vinyl square. You will find those in this here bag. These squares are cut so that they are sized for the acrylic blank, and they're kind of like a little sampler so that you can see the holographic vinyl and the traditional printed vinyl. They're sized so that you can definitely also, might as well move on, Monstera, keychain, blank. So we got the leaf, you got plenty of vinyl to do it if you want to do a different pattern on either side, however you see fit. The file is scan the QR code, takes you to the listing on the website, and the file with the SVG for the keychain is there for free to download so that you can cut that out with whatever plotter cutter you guys have. Every single box, guys, I mentioned previously, but it's easy to lose this, not hard to miss. Small little flat piece of paper, but this here, NFT tag, chip, whatever you want to call it, don't lose it. Stick it to your blank and use it. Next, keychain hardware. That comes in all the boxes too. But you got a little lobster clasp, the hardware to go onto your acrylic blank. Yeah, like so. And you got a pretty little keychain. Next, we have the white back decal set that's in the same bag. So to go with the botanical theme of the box, we have some botanical decals. One thing, and I did craft with these things already, they work great, they're awesome. One little short sight on the design is the white pupils in the eyeballs of the plants. The white didn't print for those, so their pupils end up not being there. If you guys, when you watch my craft video, super simple, a little bit of white out or a little bit of white paint, boop, 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 give them their pupils back. The plant watering spritzer. So this is the main craft of the box, guys. When I found this, I was so stoked. I try my best, if you guys have been on this journey with me from earlier Quack Packs, keep trying to come up with stuff that I haven't seen done, or at least not done a lot, or do a different spin. I came across these little, this is a spritzer, right? You put water in this for your plants, little, but it's stainless steel. we decorate this bad boy for the craft. This is the main craft in the box. There's actually, I guess counting the keychain, there's 3 crafts in this box. This is the typo. It says pink gardening shovel. To be fair, I ordered pink gardening shovels. I got miscellaneously colored gardening shovels. I had already printed this. I don't think that should matter, guys. This one in particular is yellow. Your box, I believe, could have either pink, blue, yellow, or green. Doesn't matter. They're all fun. So yeah, small gardening shovel. This is the supplementary craft for the box. And 2 different things with this, guys. The plan was either you can do absolutely nothing to it and have a just cute little colorful shovel to do your gardening with, or my plan was to have it as a decorative piece. We'll add a little decal over in the handle, maybe on the shovel part, maybe a little something on the handle that says what the plan is. Maybe it's for vegetables and it says like tomatoes on there. And then you just, boop, sit it as decoration in the planter. Here's the big old launch, guys. This is what I've been so excited about. This has been in the works for the longest time, like the longest time. And I thought the best way really to just get it out there, other than obviously launching ads, all that stuff, is put it in my box. I have like so many subscribers and there's like so many epoxy crafts that we have, and like this just seemed like the place. This seemed like the place. So here we are, guys. It's finally here. The Glitter Guy has their own epoxy. This is Project Epoxy Crystal Cast. Super excited, guys. I'm gonna have obviously other videos that explain in depth more about the epoxy itself. But I just really thought the best way to explain it is to just get it out to you guys so that you can figure it out on your own. Use it so that you understand how great it is, because it's great. Spent so much time on this. It's great. If you had been paying attention maybe to previous boxes, I felt like I was a little between a rock and a hard place because a lot of my crafts are epoxy centric, and I kind of had to stop putting other brands of epoxy in my box until this was launched, and this is a lengthy process. So I had a few boxes where I was like, what do I do? But it's here, so no more of that. Something I can say moving forward is a Glitter Guy resin will be in each box moving forward. So you're gonna definitely be getting some, the size may change, whatever, the formula may change of what you're getting, but you're definitely going to get a TGG resin product for sure moving forward. Salty D hair scrunchie. So this is the swag item of the box. Salty D is the big D of the box specifically. He looks a lot like a salt brand. So this is like a silky material. A couple of the employees have already been like using them. They said that they love them, so I take their word for it. That is the swag item in there. Salty D hair scrunchie. Then we have the Salty D enamel pin. Enamel pin always comes in a box. The Salty D sticker. So I know the stickers, guys, in the past have normally been completely die cut. The sticker itself is still die cut, but it's comes on a square now because we are now cutting all of our stickers, printing and cutting all of our stickers in-house. We have the fridge magnet, also like I said, Salty D, and then the VIP lanyard and card. So the lanyard is a little springtime, got the water droplets with the flowers, and the Quack Pass, Salty D, as you could guess. And the other side, I put Lowrider D in there. I don't think that I put, oh yeah, I definitely forgot to put Stir Stick on here, but guys, Stir Stick, you got a Stir Stick, random color. This one's green, yours might not be green, might be yellow, pink, blue, whatever. I got a lot of different colored Stir Sticks. Lastly, the token. I don't think I talk about this quite enough, but Sarah had been asking me for the longest time if we could start a program with lettered tokens and stuff. We did start that a few Quack Packs ago. If you guys been paying attention, collecting these, hopefully you're not losing them. I know they're tiny, but you know, is what it is. So eventually, if you're subscribed long enough, you may collect all the letters that eventually spell out Quack Pack. Get a different letter in every box. It's very random. I have got a big bin of letters. And I don't care if you guys trade with each other or whatever, because some people will be like, I'll never end up finding them. So whatever. If you end up finding all of them, then you contact us. You get $1,000 for real. Just like for real. $1,000 in store credit. So yeah, that is everything that I have for this box, guys. Definitely my favorite box, not just because of the epoxy, but definitely because of the craft itself. I think this is like probably the most unique one that I've had to date, but August is the next Quack Pack. August will definitely not go out as late as this one did. I was just, like I said, I was a little bit held up. Honestly, it was the epoxy that held me up a little bit, but it had to be in here. It had to be in this box. So I hope you guys really like this box as much as I do. I hope you guys enjoy the epoxy. I hope you guys enjoy making the crafts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, hit all the appropriate buttons below, and look forward to more videos like this later.